Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make quick and easy sauteed vegetables, which is a very healthy and tasty low carb veggie recipe. So let's start with the cooking process. For my sauteed veggie recipe, I have taken here some broccoli florets, some cauliflower florets cut into medium size. These are the tender stems of the cauliflower, which I have included as well. Then of course I have taken here some carrot cut into long medium strips like this. Then here are some beans cut diagonally, and also some babycorns diagonally cut as well. And now I will blanch the veggies so that they will cook faster in the pan and will consume less oil. For that, heat sufficient water in a saucepan, add half teaspoon of salt, and now we'll add the veggies one by one into the water. And we will let them simmer in the hot water for just 1 to 2 minutes. It's almost 2 minutes now, so I will turn off the flame and drain the water off. Next, heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Then goes some finely chopped garlic. I have used 2 large garlic pods. Then goes 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And on medium flame, saute the garlic and chili flakes until they turn golden brown. Next, I'll be adding 1 onion sliced and will saute for a while. At this stage, I'll be adding the blanched veggies. And on medium flame, we'll saute the veggies for a while so that they can absorb the flavors of chili and garlic fried in the butter. Since the veggies are blanched, they will not take much time to get cooked. Next, I'll be adding paneer or cottage cheese, which I have cut lengthwise into medium thickness. If you want, you can add mushrooms also. And now we'll quickly season the veggies with half teaspoon of salt, as we have already added half teaspoon salt while blanching the veggies. Some dried oregano and some freshly crushed black pepper as per taste. And now very gently give a mix, otherwise the cottage cheese might break into pieces. You can notice the cauliflower florets have turned nice golden brown now. Also, I'll be adding lastly some chopped red, green and yellow bell peppers. Try to include different colorful veggies, as it will not only make your food healthy but tasty as well. Lastly, I will add 2 teaspoons of tomato chili sauce, as it will add some spiciness to our veggies and will also keep the veggies juicy and moist. And now give a quick stir to the veggies for just 1 minute. By now the chili flakes, garlic, herbs and sauce are well combined with the veggies. I'll give a final toss. That's it. I'll turn off the flame and my sauteed veggies is now ready to be served hot. And here goes my quick and easy sauteed vegetables on the serving plate. So friends, I hope you'll try this healthy and tasty low carb veggie recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more interesting and healthy recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.